Friday night, I'm going out with my friends, so that means I have Saturday, Sunday, Monday to get this project done. It's due on Tuesday, so maybe like this much Tuesday morning, and I'm stressed out. I filmed it yesterday, I edited it today, I've been trying to do the color grading and it's not going the way that I wanted, but I finally just exported all of the frames. So now I have to place all 808 frames. 808 frames. Before the printers close tonight. I have a shooting in an hour and a half. I have to get ready for everything that I'm doing tonight. Oh my gosh. And I have to place 808 frames. So I gotta quit recording. I will check in with you guys tomorrow? I don't know. Okay guys, I got through 217 frames. I have to go to my shooting now. I have to get 808 frames printed before this weekend. And I'm getting a little bit nervous about it. I feel like I'm gonna have to stay after at the shooting and keep working on it, and fingers crossed that like I can do that and make my plans tonight. And I'm like going back and forth because I'm like, if I don't get these 808 frames printed, I won't be able to do it over the weekend. And then I have to do all of it on Monday, which would stress me out just so bad. But you know what? I'm sending it up to the universe. In fact, amethyst and black obsidian, okay? I'm carrying these around with me. I gotta block the negative vibes and align with my highest self. Alright? I gotta get this done. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, I am back with almost 300 pages worth of stuff. Let me show you guys. Hold on. This is literally it. This is the project, 1 minute long. I accidentally printed about, 50 sheets or so that I didn't need because, well, they were low quality, and so then I ended up having to reprint them. But this is where we're at. I'm not going to my plans tonight because it's 10:30 and I just got home, and I was supposed to get home like several hours ago. So this is where we're at. I will check back in tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. It's Sunday morning. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't do any of the work yesterday for this project. I had other projects going on, and so I was working on those, and then I just didn't have the energy to have all of it laid out like all over my floor and doing everything, but I am out of time. So the time is now. It's happening now. Yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start planning out what parts are gonna have mixed media on them and then find the frames and go from there. Update, I'm about a third of the way in. I'm at 300 frames at the moment out of 808. So yeah, it's 8:20. I hope to be asleep by 3:30. We'll see. Okay, I just hit 400 frames. I'm gonna take a slight break so that I don't go totally insane. It's 9:26 p.m. and I'll get back to it within an hour, maybe less. We'll see. Here's a progress update, by the way. Alright guys, I'm 100 frames in and starving, so I'm going to go and get some food and keep planning out what some of the shots are going to be. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. But I'm going to go get some gyoza and yeah. Alright, it's 9:47. I got a snack and honestly a bag full of pastries in case I want more later. That way I'll have no possible distractions and it's like a reward. Yeah, I'm just watching TV, getting it done. We're halfway through. Another 404 to go. Let's get going. It's just about 1 in the morning and I'm on 479 frames. So I haven't made that much progress, mostly because these are the frames that I've been doing. And the process just takes a really long time when you're building up, like with ripping the paper and trying to make sure that you don't rip too much or too little. But yeah. Slowly but surely. At least White Lotus comes out at 3 a.m. So, looking forward to that. Alright you guys, it's 3:30 in the morning, just about. I am 611 frames through, which means I just have 200 left, which I think is attainable. I have been binge watching You for the first time, which, so good. Kind of paranoid a little bit now, but whatever, it's okay, it's a good show. And so I'm gonna finish that and then I'm gonna watch White Lotus, and by the time that I'm done with all of that, it should be done. 800 frames, you guys. And the crazy thing is I'm gonna do it again. Like, I'm sitting here like dying, but then like at the same time I'm like, I'll do it again. I'll do it again. Okay, 4 a.m. check-in. I just finished the last season of You. Crazy, by the way. Starting White Lotus, and I'm hoping I should be done by the end of it. I'm on frame 653. Right now, all I'm doing is just filling in the red part with this marker, which honestly is not making a huge difference. Actually, maybe no difference at all. I might have to get my paint pens out or do something different. But it shouldn't take that much longer. I think I can do it. 5:35 in the morning on frame 759, okay? There's only 808 total. I did finish White Lotus. However, you guys know the drill. I can't give this up, especially when I'm so close. Like, literally 750, what, I have 60 more frames? I gotta finish. But it's got, partially is that I can't stop doing these like collage frames, which are super fun, but like probably not my best option in like the interest of time. But here we go. And I'm running out of oil pastel crayon. Last frame. Woo. This stack is enormous. This is what I'm off to go scan tomorrow morning. Well, it is tomorrow morning. Tomorrow around noon. This is what I'm off to scan. And this is my video. Animation is something serious, you guys. It really is. But it's so fun. Good morning. All right, you guys, I overslept a lot, which to be fair, I was up till almost 7 in the morning, so it makes sense that I'm not leaving the house until about 1:40. It is what it is. I am who I am. Woo! And I hope they don't fall out. All of the sheets are in here. I'm gonna head to school and go scan them. I don't know how long this is gonna take. If I'm being honest, the last time I did it was like 300, and it took about 30 minutes. So I kind of sort of think I might be there like an hour and a half. I'm not gonna bring my school stuff with me because honestly, I just don't wanna, I wanna put the pressure on myself to get it done because I'm telling you, I cannot be there all day long. 2 hours max. 2 hours and I'll be back. You guys, 3 p.m. I'm back ahead of schedule. All I have left is to screenshot all my scans, put them in Premiere, and add the music back. So we're getting close. I have a video that's coming out tonight and I need to do the thumbnail for it and upload it and finish editing it. So I'm probably gonna do this through class, like screenshotting, and then I'll work on my video tonight. So I'm thinking, fingers crossed I'm done by the end of tonight, but worst case scenario tomorrow morning. Okay, I'm back from class. I have less than 100 frames to go. I'm so excited. I'm nervous to see what it looks like in the end because like the quality's been getting kind of grainy. I think my scans weren't that high of quality. To be fair, I did have to redo them twice, so maybe that's why, but we'll see. All right, you guys, I just finished the last frame. Let me give you a preview. Oh, I'm so excited. So cool. All right, you guys, it's 9:17. I just finished it. I'm about to do my first watch. I'm nervous. I think it's good. I think it's good. Okay, I'm gonna export it.